Welcome and thanks for joining us at EMII.com. I'm Kathleen Reddington with your hedge fund headlines. Today is Monday, July 21st, 2008. Bloomberg reports that Perella Weinberg Partners Xerion hedge fund rose 24% this year. The fund was helped by wagers that the value of investment-grade bonds of financial services firms would fall. Chicago-based hedge fund Research Incorporated said that the $837 million fund has outstripped competitors. Their competitors have lost 1.6% on average in the first half of 2008. The fund invests in the shares and debt of troubled companies. Daniel Arbus, Xerion's founder and a Perella partner, said there will be more chances to invest in companies going into or emerging from bankruptcy due to increasing losses at Wall Street banks and the slowing U.S. economy. Staying with hedge fund news, HedgeWeek reports that the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission has sent subpoenas to more than 50 hedge fund managers. They come as part of a probe on possible rumor mongering leading to the Bear Stearns and Lehman Brothers decline. In the subpoena, the SEC asked managers for information on trading and communication with other parties related to short selling and options trading in the two investment banks. The move is part of a broader inquiry that is still in its early days. And in more hedge fund news, according to Alternative Investment News, Kuwaiti investment bank Global Investment House has raised £252 million for its private equity fund Global Mena Financial Assets. The funds were raised through an IPO on the London Stock Exchange. The firm sold shares for 100 pence each, but kept a 29.99% stake. The closed-end fund will target financial sector investments in Algeria, Bahrain, Egypt, Jordan, Kuwait, Lebanon, Libya, Morocco, Qatar, Oman, Saudi Arabia, Tunisia, Turkey, and the United Arab Emirates. Commitments will be both minority stakes in unlisted companies and controlling stakes in listed companies, all in the financial services industry in countries in the Middle East, North Africa, as well as Turkey. The fund will reserve up to 20% for other emerging markets. And in other hedge fund news, according to the Economic Times, India's second-largest developer, Unitech, has raised $300 million for a realty fund. The money was raised to fund some of its projects. Most of the money will be spent over the next few months on residential projects all over India. The Economic Times also reported that a spokesman said $300 million more will be raised. This comes after just a month after Unitech sold half its stake in the first phase of a commercial real estate project in Mumbai to Lehman Brothers Real Estate Partners for 175 million rupees. It also said it is seeking private equity investments for other projects, including hotels. And that rounds out today's hedge fund headlines. Thanks for joining us on EMII.com. For more details on these stories and much more, click onto our hedge fund channel online and read the full stories and latest developments.